So today,
We're
this
trying
is our extra.
Japanese candy.
Yeah,
Okay.
it finally came.
So
It's
we're
2
gonna
months
do this
late.
first.
Let's open this.
Oh, it's like
It's like marshmallow because it's
Mm,
a marshmallow.
so good.
Okay.
Okay, I
Okay.
feel something inside it. Ready?
Probably. I got pink.
I got yellow.
Haha, bitches.
Oh,
I got
chocolate.
I wanted the chocolate one.
Oh, look at inside it. Wait, yeah, there. It's like pink. That
It's
tastes really
banana.
good. Like, take it apart and eat the
It's actually good.
like pink stuff.
I mean, it's not that good really.
Not
that bad.
All
All right.
Now we're gonna try our extras.
I'll eat that after. That's your extras. My extra. Quentin. You can have that if you want. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Wait, can you open this?
It looks moldy.
It's not
no,
moldy.
it's like there's stuff on it. That's supposed to be on it.
That's like beef.
Something. I don't know how to open this. Oh wait, I found it. Right there. Can you pull that apart? You can
Yeah.
do that. Alright, mine
We're
I think
gonna-
is like oh, I think mine's bubblegum. I don't know what this is.
Wait,
like kind of
wait, I can't do it.
Pull it apart.
Wait, I'll be right back. Okay,
Okay guys, so now I'm
I
gonna
got it
try
open.
this. Ready?
Wait.
Hurry up. Ready. Okay, ready? It's like bubbly.
This
Like
is so
watermelon.
good.
It's bubbly. Oh, it's so good.
I'm gonna eat it. No.
It's hard candy. I thought it was bubblegum.
Mine's not hard candy.
Okay, I'm gonna skip that. Because
Yeah.
I don't want it.
Get another candy.
And I'll choose. No, I'll choose this time. I'm
No,
gonna choose a random
you
one.
choose last
No,
time.
because I'm gonna like.
Please pick a good one.
Ooh,
a tampon.
Oh yeah.
It's not a
Okay,
tampon.
so
it's just-
fake tampon. Okay, so we're all gonna both
Oh, looking
gonna
good.
try a bite. Oh, that.
Wait.
Oh, that smells so good. No, we're not doing it like that. We're just gonna take bites. Okay, ready?
It tastes good.
What does that taste like?
It's like
Buttered
popcorn or something.
Try that. Tastes like buttered toast. It's like buttered toast. It's actually.
It tastes
Gross.
good. It's sweet and good.
It's like kettle corn.
All right.
Put that over there for you.
Okay. Because I love it. Let me pick from the jetpack.
Okay.
Bad.
Good.
Put some buttered toast up first, and then
Let's pick a good one. This one.
I'll open it.
Come on. Right next to him. Can you scoot over a little?
Oh yeah.
They're all crunched.
Oh, they smell good.
They taste like nothing.
This tastes really good.
I know. They're like salt in a little. But they're good.
I love these.
Here.
I'm taking these.
Pick a really good one. Oh no. They taste
Okay, these are mine. I love that.
Pick one.
I'll pick them.
I don't actually like them that much, but still.
Okay.
Shut out.
We're gonna do
There's nothing there.
elephants. Okay. So these literally look like medicine. So hopefully
They're not.
they didn't accidentally send us medicine.
They probably didn't because it looks like chocolate inside it.
Why? No, why would chocolate be technical?
This thing is like burning my throat.
Okay, I'm just trying to open it all the way. Okay.
I
so-
get the yellow
Oh,
one.
I got green.
I got yellow. It came out of my
Okay,
pieces.
I'm gonna-
Okay. Oh, look. Smells really good. Smells like okay, just like M&Ms. They're made of M&Ms. They're literally just M&Ms.
M&M's.
M&Ms.
All right, now get the.
You pick one. Okay.
We
Pick
don't
a
know to pull
really
the box
good
over
one.
everything.
Ooh.
I'm so excited.
Okay, wait. No.
I love these.
But I want to. Okay, open. Can't open anything.
There we go.
Ooh, that look good.
Look at that.
Okay, let's rip it apart.
I'm gonna rip it into thirds. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that.
Okay, ready?
Look at the inside.
Mm.
That's good.
It's like marshmallow.
It is a marshmallow. Okay, pick a good one.
These are my things.
Actually, pick something. Because don't want to eat all the good ones.
Alright. I think it's time for this.
Yeah. Look, hand. Oh, it smells like ketchup. And mustard. Oh. I don't know.
Okay, ready?
Looks like tater
That-
tots.
Did you even taste it?
Lift it.
Good. I don't know want them, but they're good.
Yeah. No.
That's what I was warning about.
Not good.
Okay. I'm picking a bad one now. Yes. We're both gonna try it.
Actually, it's not that bad. Gwen doesn't want to try this one, so she doesn't have to.
Come on, come out, come out, come out.
Okay, wait, let me bite it. Oh, or not.
Oh, it looks like gummy or something.
You. Okay, ready?
No, 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 no.
Okay. I'm gonna do this one.
Hey, that one looks good. What is it?
I have no idea. Ooh, it smells kind of good.
Okay, rip it apart.
Oh yeah.
It might be gum.
Do you want this one?
It might be.
Pretty sure it's licorice. I might licorice smells good.
Oh, I hate that.
I think it's gum.
It's raspberry. I don't think it's gum. Well, it's good. Yeah, it's not gum. It turned this color. Yummy.
I'm pretty sure it's gum.
No, it's not gum.
Nope. It's supposed to make your tongue black.
Oh no.
It's gum. Put the trash over it.
Feels like I just want to swallow it.
I'm sure.
It's so good.
It's gum. Alright. Pick another one.
No, it's my turn.
Do this. Oh yeah, that one looks
This
good.
one looks kind of good. It's fish, so.
Ew. I just had a fit. Wait, let me smell.
It doesn't smell that bad. It just smells like fish. Here. Ew, it's like paper.
No.
Yes.
Ready?
Mm,
I like it.
I'm not gonna.
I love fish.
I know fish.
Nope. They're bad.
Yeah, you can have those. Okay. Next, we're gonna do these now. We'll start with.
Oh
this
my
one.
god, I took a lot.
No, do the squid one first. Let's go.
What is that?
Crack. Okay.
Sorry guys, there was a bug.
It's
Go.
oh, okay. It smells like very strong.
I ate this.
I'm trying
Whole
that
thing.
either.
Wait. Okay, I'm not trying it.
Why not?
Try it.
I dare you.
I like everything that's fish.
Yeah, it's fish. So.
Because I ate the whole thing with this.
There's still
Phone
more.
keeps eating.
Okay, we're gonna do this next. So while you're trying.
Sweet.
This one doesn't look as bad. It smells kind of good. Okay.
Oh, I like this one.
I don't like any of
It
them.
came up. It came up. It came up.
This one looks good though. Like the front does. I don't know what the
Mm.
inside looks like, so
Bacani.
it's not one of my nicknames.
Mm.
It looks the same as the other one. Please be better. Please taste like beef. The front is beef, so stop.
Ah. No. I'm a driver.
Oh.
Gee. Go. No. Why did I say it's good?
No. Okay.
For my
We've
piece.
got
Oh.
3 left. They're all tampons. So we're gonna go with it's red, orange, yellow. So we're gonna go with yellow first.
Favorite
Oh, wait,
color.
no, we're gonna do this one last because it has a rainbow on
Yay.
it. So we're gonna do the
Oh
orange.
my god! Look at how good that looks.
This is the same as the other one. Okay, ready?
Wait,
Wait.
rip it.
I'll give you a bite now.
3, 2, 1. What does this taste like? Popcorn. It's like popcorn a little.
I don't like that one.
Okay, we're gonna take care of all this trash. More of these. We'll wash it down. Wash it down.
Okay.
Ah, it got stuck on my tooth.
The aftertaste is. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
That one look good. Wait, let me.
Oh, this one's dark.
It smells
Sour.
good. Oh, it smells like
Smells like ketchup.
ketchup and mustard, just like the other thing. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't bite it.
It tastes like ketchup. Yeah,
I like this one.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. Here, have it. I like that one. Why put all on my side?
You can have
Because
that.
I like everything.
All right.
goes back.
Now, the last thing.
That looks so good.
I hope we save the best for last.
Yeah, because that
Does that one
looks
taste the
good.
worst?
Oh, he said.
I don't like that one.
Take a bite. No, give me it.
Wait, let me
Give point a little.
wait. Give Daddy a little because it tastes good.
No.
Wait,
Give me it. Give me it.
Wait. Let me have one more bite before he takes it all.
He's gonna take it all. So.
He doesn't like chocolate.
Yeah.
Don't let Nessa eat any.
Wait, that might have dairy in it, so he can't have it. Give me the rest.
Wait, no.
Noria, you're a jerk.
What?
Okay, so end of the video. Aria's a jerk. She had the rest of the best thing.
Hi, this is my YouTube channel.
I don't care.
It's the
I
end.
leave now?
Okay, bye guys.
Goodbye.
Bye.
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 No.
Aria. Bye guys.